Hello everyone, welcome to the Parmanu's iCoach Distance Learning Center. We are going to start CATIA V5 training for design aspirants who want to kickstart their career in mechanical design field. CATIA V5 is one of the important tool for mechanical design engineers. Let me introduce about the speaker of this course. Has 10 plus years of industrial experience as BIW design and development engineer. Has worked for OEM like JLR, Skoda, VW, Ford and Tata Motors. Has extensive knowledge of BIW structure design, manufacturing and proto development. Achieved top rank in BTech course. Projects work on hatchback and compact sedan. Was responsible for complete proto development activity of cab from scratch. Compact SUV. Structural engineer responsible for front-end module, underbody complete and underbody structure design from scratch. SUV and notchback currently responsible for closure design activity from start.
Thank you very much, Pranali, for your kind introduction. So, I would like to welcome once again all for this introduction. So, let me introduce about this course. So, in this course, we are going to see what is basically a CATIA, what it is application, where are we using it, what is mean by the workbench, different modules in it, what are the basic settings we need to do it. Then in the detail we are going to see what is a sketcher module, what is a part design workbench, what is a generative shape design workbench. So this generative shape design makes the CATIA far better than the other competitive softwares. The assembly workbench, then the drafting, where we are doing all 2D work in by using this CATIA. Then we are going to see some exercises in each of the module, and I'm going to give you more for the practice also. So this is just an overview. We are going to see much more detail about in our course. So what is the course outcome we can expect? Like, we can understand and use the CATIA V5 interface, and we can plan the construction of part in order to convey its visual and functional aspects. We can construct the different components, mechanical components. We can design it by using the CATIA tool. Create simple parts in CATIA V5, simple as well. How to construct the assembly using the parts. Then produce simple drawings and assembly layouts. Now we will be seeing what are the course prerequisites. This course is mainly aimed for the mechanical designers with limited or no CATIA V5 experience. So students attending this course should be familiar with some mechanical design concepts, the concepts in engineering graphics and machine design. Then they should be passionate about the mechanical design. Those are the prerequisites for this course. So let us see all of you in this course detail. Thank you very much.